Hello everyone, today in this video, I am going to show you how to turn on and turn off parental controls on Play Store. If you haven't subscribed to my channel before starting the video, do so quickly. First of all, open Play Store and tap on top right your profile icon. Now here you have to click on Settings. Now here you have to click on this Family button here you can see. Now click on this Parental Controls. To turn on parental control, click on this icon. And here you have to select your 4-digit password. After confirming the password, it will be done automatically. Now here you can control the apps. What age apps do you want to show inside your Play Store? Then click on Save. To turn off parental control, simply disable this icon. In this way, you can turn on or off parental control inside Play Store. Thanks for watching this video.